Hey everyone, today we are going to do a clean with me. This bathroom needs done. You saw our clean with me before Thanksgiving. This one's gonna be a little bit different. I'm actually going to do like a deep cleaning this time. Our medicine cabinet needs reorganized, which is why the medicine basket's out here. We keep all of our over-the-counters in a basket. I probably won't show you like a finished, because that's kind of like privacy to me, but I will show you like what it looks like when we empty it out, and then I'll talk a little bit about how we do it. I will show you how I organize that cabinet. We're in the process of fixing to redo the girls' bathroom and remodel it. We took everything out of their closet. Well, their closet in there was like floor to ceiling closet. So a lot of it got dumped in here, but some of it's not being used. So I'm gonna get rid of stuff we're not using, but I'm gonna take you along as we do it. Here is our bathroom getting started. There's dirty clothes on the floor. There's some towels out. The rug is hanging up because you have to hang it up after it gets used. I'm gonna clear out this cabinet, and then I'm gonna clear out this medicine cabinet. So that is my goal for today. Take trash out and just do a deep clean of this bathroom. Here is our medicine cabinet while it's completely empty. There are 3 shelves inside of it. This one has a little bit of a lip right here, and as you can see, it needs dusted out. I have not done this since we moved in. I have not taken everything out of here and reorganized it, and that's been 6 years. So I actually found like nail polish in there. We have a drawer for nail polish. I didn't need nail polish in there. I found some jewelry that now that Matt actually does jewelry work, he could repair for me, and he has volunteered to do that for me. So my next step is I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna dust up top, I'm gonna dust inside here, clean it, and then I'm gonna clean the front of the cabinet. I did get the whole cabinet clean. I even got the top of it clean. We cleaned the cobwebs up from around the top of it. There is our currently cluttered and not very organized under the sink. You can kind of see a basket under there. I am going to be making a list of Dollar Tree baskets to pick up to completely organize under here, but right now it's not. So I have a crate that we're going to put the getting rid of stuff in, and everything else is just going to go straight to trash, and keep stuff is going to go in the basket, and I'm just going to organize it that way. But I have to pull all of this out before I can even get started. It is going to echo a lot in here now. I decided to go ahead and take the shower curtain down and wash it. I also took the rug that was hanging up there. It is also in the wash with that and a couple of the washcloths and a couple of the towels from this weekend, just to make a whole load. And I also finished emptying out this cabinet. I had to close that to get through here. There's a ring in there from where something's stuck on there. Also thinking about eventually resurfacing this, but it's under my cabinet. Most people don't see that far back anyways. I ended up having to use this as overflow because honestly most of the stuff out of here is going to go to trash if we don't keep it. So I'm going to finish emptying this out of keep stuff or trash. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to empty out these 2 drawers. This one is usually Matt's plus some, and then that one's mine plus all the nail polish. First round of putting everything back is working so far. After I took all the first aid stuff out of this basket, I was able to fit all the bath stuff. Well, not all the bath stuff. I'm gonna get another basket for bath stuff, but I was able to fit like all the unopened boxes of toothpaste. My mother-in-law got this for like $1 a box, and it's the extra whitening. Awesome sauce. Got some extra things in here. Got a couple things put back. So far, I have this basket of stuff that's not going back under there. I'm gonna find a new home for the sunscreen until the girls' bathroom is done. It's after lunch. Lunch was like 2 hours ago. I've got this tray table full of stuff I'm gonna be putting back in the drawers, but I've decided that I'm gonna get baskets before I put it back because it seems kind of pointless to put it back, to go get the baskets and then to put it back in. We may be going to get the baskets tonight. I'm hoping that we do. But the drawers have been wiped out. They're ready to go. I'm pretty sure all I have left is to work on clearing the counter. I'm gonna sort through some jewelry, see if there's anything I need to get rid of. I've washed all of the glasses cleaning cloths, and they're draped over the magazine rack down there. We don't use it for magazines because I just think it's gross to keep magazines in the bathroom anymore. So, ew. But I use this a lot. I will actually take shoes and I will put them where the cleaning cloths are and those little bars in between them. And it works great for drying shoes on. It also works great for drying that. And I wipe it down. I keep that pretty clean. I think the next step is to take everything left out of here and go ahead and clean. I was gonna do like a get rid of box, but I found out that when you're cleaning out a bathroom, it's actually mostly just chunking it. So there's the bag that we are throwing away, and it's actually pretty full of stuff to just throw away and get rid of. Next step, we're just gonna empty the bathroom out. Here's something a lot of people don't talk about, but we try to do at least every 3 to 6 months. And my grandmother did it all the time when we were growing up. I think she did it once a month because we were in public school and hair germs and gross. But we put the hairbrushes in here with rubbing alcohol. I think she may have used bleach, I don't remember. Rubbing alcohol, water, hot water, like as hot as it'll come in here, hot water. Leave them soaking for about 15 minutes and then I put them on a towel to air dry. This one is one that has, like, you know, you can see it has the mesh in it, collapsible. That may take a little bit longer to dry, but we found that using rubbing alcohol cleans them and it also will dry very quickly. Now for the other part where we do things a little different. Whenever I'm deep cleaning, I don't sweep. I vacuum. If you followed us a while, you know that only 2 rooms in my house are carpet, but I still vacuum that room. I will start up here on this vent. You can see that it has gotten dirty since last time I did this. I'm gonna be vacuuming it using this brush right here on the vacuum. Yes, I had to have a vacuum with a hose for this very reason, that I cannot stand not having a hose to be able to reach things. That and I'm short. So I use the hose, I vacuum all the way around. I usually vacuum on top of this, but I just wiped it this time because I thought it needed a good wiping. We're gonna go all the way around here, gently around those. I'm gonna vacuum all the way around. I'm gonna vacuum around the shower, down behind the toilets, around here, behind the door, and then I'll be done. Oh, I need to go through that jewelry first. Yay, I can do that before I have to vacuum because one of them is fixing to take a test. So I don't want to be vacuuming while she's taking a test anyways. So I'm gonna go through jewelry while I give her a test. Then we're gonna vacuum. This is what happens whenever you clean and you're working from home and have sick kids. I wanted to be done by lunch. It's like almost time for Matt to come home. Still not done. Anyways, I'll show you what I have done so far. I was finally able to get the step stool and get up there and use the vacuum to vacuum around all the vents on all 4 sides. I know it's not very modern or, you know, up to date, and it doesn't really match the rest of the bathroom, but it has a feature I love. There's a heater in here. It has the light, the vent, and the heat. And having the heat in here makes it so nice whenever I need some me time and I can cut the heater on in the winter and come and take a ball bath and have some me time. So I will take the out-of-date looking vent to have the heater in here. I'm gonna finish vacuuming around all the walls and the floor and every surface that needs vacuumed. Then I will actually finally begin scrubbing this bathroom and hopefully get it done before Matt gets home. Cutting the fan off for a minute. I am hoping beyond hope that the floor dries. I had planned on finishing this entire bathroom this morning, and that was just too unrealistic with cleaning the cabinet. Now, normally if I was not like cleaning out the cabinet, cleaning everything out of that cabinet and that one, it would have been fine. But since I was cleaning, reorganizing, throwing away that whole trash bag full of stuff, and just trying to do a deep clean on it to get ready for fall and how busy it's gonna be the next 2 to 3 months, it took a lot longer than I really wanted it to. So here's what it looks like after everything is scrubbed down. The floor is still wet. Again, I'm hoping it dries before Matt gets home, since this is our only fully functional bathroom right now. Since Matt's coming home, I want to really have this done before he gets home. He should be getting off. If he gets off on time, he'll be getting off like right now. So I'm going to turn the fan on in here and hope that it dries. I'm just glad that the mirror also, I don't know, comment below. Are you also one that, like, I hate cleaning mirrors. I hate cleaning that mirror especially. I hate cleaning mirrors at all. I can never get a mirror completely fully straight free, so I hate cleaning them. I did go ahead and put the hand soap back in here so I can wash my hands after I scrub the tub down and before I mop the floor. It's done. I will show you what it looks like when it's put back together. 13 hours later, all day long, a project I thought was gonna take like one morning to do turned into a massive project to get done, on top of kids not feeling well. So I was able to go to the store and I went to Dollar Tree and Walmart and we got to pick up a couple things up and we were able to finish up the bathroom as much as possible for now. So let me take you on a tour. And ta-da, here it is. All right, first off, we have the vanity. I was able to, you saw it when it even looked better than it did. Before we took some of the kids' stuff out of here, I mean, literally the counters were completely covered. Hair bows, hair supplies and stuff. Behind the door for now, their bows are still here. I can put something there or patch up or whatever whenever I'm done with it. Hand towels right here. My makeup is right here. I don't have a lot. I mostly just do lipstick right now. I only left one lotion on the counter. It's a lotion that we still had from Dreamwear. The face wipes. I did organize these. These were like really chaotic. and now they're organized by what they are. You can tell, you know, what they are now. The rest of the jewelry's in there. Hand soap. I'm also gonna get a new toothbrush holder whenever we completely redo everything and get one that's just for 2 people. Hairpins are still in here for now. The thing I'm most happy about is drawer organizers. I did make them get rid of about 7 to 10 bottles of nail polish, but now all of it fits in here in the drawer. The nail file is down here beside it. And the cool thing is the Dollar Tree had these and they were very sturdy, and they have these non-skid pads in the bottom of them. And it was perfect for holding nail polish, especially when we get to finishing some of these off, hopefully soon. This, also you can see the non-skid better. These actually match. I was super happy. I thought this was gonna take up the entire drawer space. I was super happy I was able to fit this in here in both drawers. So now I have a place to put all of my hair stuff, hair clips. Matt's drawer is done. We have like all the tube stuff, trip on a bodic and things like that, and toothpaste. The floss, like string, we usually use pliers the most, so pliers in here. His scissors for trimming his mustache are in here. Cleaning cloths for him are right here, and a comb right here for him. I'm also super happy about under here. We did buy some stuff to put down on the floor in here. It's solid white to make it look better in here, and it's non-skid. I try to keep 2 rolls of toilet paper in here at one time. Baskets. So I was kind of disappointed because I was looking for something like that and I thought that was skinnier and I couldn't find it, but I only found these shorter ones, but it was perfect. So it worked out for like, these are the chemically things and plus the travel peroxide. This basket has like what we're calling our bath basket. It has bath bombs, it has Epsom salts, it has our bubble bath, shower bombs, soaps, and things like that. That one is our overflow of extra things basket still. It has extra shampoos, body washes, face washes, travel soaps, and all of our extra toothpaste in there. I was super happy that those baskets ended up working out for in here. I am not going to show you the medicine cabinet, but that alone probably took 2 hours. Hand towel was washed today. The rug was washed today. Got all that done. Washcloths. I did wash this shower curtain today, and it smells better, it looks cleaner. I'm super happy with it, and then it was able to go in the wash. We also decided to go ahead and replace the shower curtain. Super happy with the way it looks right now. So that's it for this clean with me video. We are probably gonna do a couple more because I'm in the process of just trying to clean stuff out. So we're like, you know, yard selling some of it, we're getting rid of some of it. We're just trying to clean out and get it a little more organized and easier to maintain. Our goal has always been home to feel like home while we're here and not have to be cleaning the entire time we're home in between adventures. So that's our goal, overall goal. Thank you so much for following us along. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.